tightening in India. Most of the patients are asking the one question, sir, what is the cost of vaginal tightening? Is it very costly? Is it affordable to us? So my name is Dr. Archa. I am MCH Plastic and Cosmetic Surgeon, Director of Rejuva Aesthetica Cosmetic Clinic in Ahmedabad. Basically, one has to understand that vagina becomes dilated due to the post-childbirth, and it's an essential organ of female's body. So it's a very safe surgery. It's just a 1 to 1.5 hour surgery. There is no pain, no side effect, no complication at all. The cost of the vaginal tightening depends on which kind of treatment patient wants. Sometimes we give CO2 fractional tightening package with patient. Sometimes we do vulvoplasty with vaginal tightening. Sometimes we do hymenoplasty with vaginal tightening. Sometimes we make Barbie doll vulva with vaginal tightening, and sometimes we inject the fat with vaginal tightening. Along with, sometimes there are black skin is there, so sometimes we do whitening of vulva along with vaginal tightening is there. So there are lots of concern which females are facing nowadays, and the cost will depend on which kind of treatment the patient wants, but it will usually between the 40,000 to 70,000 rupees, which kind of treatment patient wants. So it's very safe procedure. We keep completely confidential. We call only the female anesthetist. As you can see, the female anesthetist doctor is there, and the assistant is also the female, and we have the female coordinator. But the most important thing, we keep complete secrecy, we keep complete privacy, we respect the patient's identity's privacy. So if you have any concern, you can contact our female coordinator on below number. Thank you so much.